Salam everyone, hello, how are you doing? And today's video I'm going to share with you my Black Friday crafty haul, non-crafty I'm gonna leave it in the end because if you're not interested, so it's okay, but I would love you to stick till the end. So let me start with the first thing came, and for me it's my first time to order, is from Greetery. And for me, I don't know Greetery, I just got to know it from Marlyin G. She is my idol when coming to crafty haul. I'm gonna link her channel down below, and I ordered this I think Thursday or Friday, I think Friday, yeah, it's Black Friday, and I got it on Monday, so this is really fast shipping and I like these nice packaging. So let's, I don't like, put up my packaging, but sorry for the crinkling. Ah, she sent me a gift. Okay. Greetery and a note and a pen and Merry Christmas. I don't celebrate Christmas, but I will use it. Nice, thank you very much. I don't know if they wrote the owner's name. No. Okay, so the first thing I ordered, and this is, I was inspired also by Marlyin. Sorry, Marlyin, oh my gosh. Sorry, Marlyin. Okay, so this die, and does it have a name? Candy Pops collection, and it comes with this called no, there's no name. So this is, you just, when you die cut it and you put it on the top of of the candy bar, and you can just it's like a perforated line, and you just remove it and take the candy. I will try to link for her video when she showed it to us, Marlyin, but of course I'm going to play with it. So this is the first die. There is another one I really wanted, like this one, but it was sold out. Okay. Second, I bought this called terrarium dies. I'm sorry. I don't know. Terrarium dies. This is a small one. There's a big one, so I just bought the small one. And this is one, the expensive one. This die was like $50, but I don't know how much I paid, like 40, 45. I don't know if they wrote the okay, they don't write the price after discount. No. So this was originally $50. I think I paid 40 or 45. Anyway, so this is called Happy Hippie Van. So this is like you can make it like in a box in the shape of a van, and you can add sweets. And I know I'm gonna link a picture. I'm gonna add a picture here so you can see how it die cuts. So I'm so excited. Then I also bought the stamp set for it called, okay, there's no name. Oh, okay, here, Christmas Caravan. Again, I don't celebrate Christmas, but we can use these stuff for any reason. The gifts, the van, and I bought the dies for it. Yeah, so this is from Greetery, and this is really fast. I'm so happy. So the second thing, this is from Amazon. I bought a silicone mat. This is for resin. I'm a huge fan of resin, and I make resin videos. So this one called Amazon Basics. So I hope that the resin will not stick to it. The second thing I bought from Amazon, this is photo sleeve fuse from We Are Memory Keepers. And yes, it came like this because this is from the Amazon warehouse. When you buy from Amazon, you're gonna have two prices. The original price, then there is a price when you scroll down a little bit, there is saying it's used, but it is not. Most of the cases, they're not used, but it has like some like this imperfection, you know, in the packaging, which I'm fine because the product still itself it's good, and if it's not, of course I'm gonna return it. And these you save like $3 to $4, so just for packaging, so who cares. The second thing is this one, because I want to make my own mold. Yeah, smooth mold star 15 slow, so I'm so excited to try it, and of course I'm gonna see a video. And you know, to what do you call it, you know, to mix your resin, I bought these cute mask brushes. This is also silicone one, so you can mix your silicone, and also for your gesso, for your paste, modeling paste, texture paste. Yeah, I think it's flexible and it's better than, you know, these plasticky spatula. I have one which I really love, but I hope that it's here. The Faber-Castell spatula. Yeah, this one, I really love it, but still, when you have something silicone, it's much better. So that's for now. This is what I received so far, so I'm gonna catch you later when I have another product. Okay, next we have Altenew. Usually I like to recycle all my packaging, but okay, why shall I torture myself? Okay, some papers. Okay, so I ordered inks, you know, try to make a collection for my Altenew inks. So I have soft lilac, volcano lake, industrial diamond, and citrus burst. So these are the 4 colors. And the thing I was really excited and I wanted for a long time is Altenew water colors, vibrant, smooth, at 36 pans. Okay, that's nice. I love their ink, so I'm so excited to try their watercolors. Oh my gosh, look at these beautiful colors. I can't wait to swatch them, but this would be in a different, you know, video. Okay, so this is Altenew. Oh, let's see what's next. Okay, next we have Tailored Expression. I just was interested. I don't like to ruin my packaging. I don't like to ruin my packages because I like to reuse it again, especially when I do these stashes. Okay, oh, they sent me a card? No, it's not a card. Share joy. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, hello Crafty friends. About them, I think this is my receipt. Adorable. Hello. I love the font. Maybe I can try it. Okay. Upside down. Nice. Okay, so what I bought is only 2 things. The die, this one called Simple Strips die. I like it that when you stamp all these sentiments, this goes simple strips background. I think this is birthday. Okay, it doesn't show. I'm not sure if it's Yeah, it's, you know, different sentiments. When you stamp it, you just lay down, you just lay this die and cut it all at once. So I'm really excited about this one. Okay, next, Simon. Okay, let me use a bigger scissor. I hope I didn't cut something important. Okay. Okay, so we have sticky notes. I'm not sure if I ordered this one or this is a gift. Okay, sticky note. I don't know why I ordered this one, but anyway. This die called Awareness Ribbon. This one called Mosaic Heart. Mosaic Heart. This one, Holy Square Frame. Okay, let me show you how it looks inside. I mean the size. Oh, small. What is the color of this one? Pretty small. Okay, let me see the mosaic one. This one decent size. This one, because my daughter, she always, I mean, in the school they ask, you know, like activities, you know, for the ribbon and the awareness. So I really wanted this die. Next, this one called Forget Me Not Flowers. Okay, this is from Lawn Fawn, called Flower Power. I like anything building a flower, you know, to be like, what do you call it? You know, like stuffing, if you want to make any mixed media, so you can put flowers and leaves around, you know, your focal point. Okay, next I have this one from Sizzix, and it's called Alpen. I hope I'm pronouncing it correct. And last one is this one. So the next order is from Elizabeth Craft Design, and it's a huge, you know, envelope. Okay. So the first thing I ordered, and I don't know that they sell that, it's paper. So these are my two favorite colors. Let me see, this is soft finish cardstock, pony blue, and this one soft finish cardstock, dark fuchsia. I thought it's darker than this, like this kind of dark, because I really love dark, you know, purple. So this is the first thing, the papers. Now this comes for the dies. Okay, so this is my receipt. Okay, also I bought shimmer sheets. I like to use this with resin. Okay, next we have, this is Tam Moda Scrap by Moda Scrap. I don't know, it have a name. Just I want to check something. I don't like this kind. This is, I think, made out of silicone. I don't like this kind of. I'm disappointed. This is not a polymer. It's silicone, I think. Made in Taiwan. Okay. Anyway, I think this will be the same, because, you know, it feels this wobbly, not like, you know, other kinds of stamps. I like this design also. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, so this is a garden scene die. It's a huge. I mean, it's really big. This one called scissor spring mechanism. This is the die for this. I think I'm not sure, maybe I will use it once then I sell it, because I don't like this kind of silicone, or this kind of stand that's made of silicone. Okay, tea time clear stamp. The designs are so cute. Anyway, so we have also garden notes. This is a flower die. A triangle treat box. A lantern box. Oh, they're small. Oh, this is so small. Garden notes pushel basket. This one, I love this texture. Garden notes graving wreath square. Oh, it's big. Good. And finally, gathering baskets. So I'm really excited to use those, but these are so small. I will use them and see. Okay. So I think this is the end of my haul, my Black Friday haul. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye. Okay, from Amazon, I bought a watercolor paper pad in black or a premium, what do you call it? Watercolor, black watercolor. And this one is recommended by Stephanie. I love her channel. I'm gonna link down below. Oh wow, this is really thick watercolor. You know, I can't wait to swatch, you know, my pearlescent watercolors. Okay, now I have a mail from Wplus9. So this is the first one. I'm sorry for the shadow. And it's called, okay, Banner Love. Next I have this die, and I was hoping that I have the stamp, but I didn't dig to see. It's called I don't know the Spanish name, papel something. I don't know. So this is the die for the stamp. Next, Just For You. Okay, sorry for the glare. This one called this one called Fierce and Fabulous. I wanted this bird because I don't have any bird stamp, and this one called A New Day. This is a die and called Preserve Jar Die. And finally, I had this one and I destashed it and I write again. And this one called Garden Buddies, and with the die set. So I think I have everything, but not Trinity stamp. So I'm hoping that I can get it this week. Thanks.